Good morning, everyone. Happy Monday. Felici Lunedì. Today I'm gonna translate human body in English in Tagalog. Katawan ng tao in Italian. Corpo umano. First one is utak in Tagalog. In English, brain. In Italian, cervello. Eyes in English. In Tagalog, mata. In Italian, occhio. Tooth in English. In Tagalog, ngipin. In Italian, dente. Heart in English. In Tagalog, puso. In Italian, cuore. Stomach in English. Stomaco in Italian. Tiyan in Tagalog. Lungs in English. In Tagalog, baga. In Italian, pulmone. And then, kidney in English. In Tagalog, bato. In Italian, rene. Liver in English. In Tagalog, atay. In Italian, fegato. Bowels in English. In Tagalog, bitoka. In Italian, viscere. And then the last one is skin in English. In Tagalog, mga balat. In Italian, peli. And that's all for today's video. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat. Grazie mille. Have a good day. Bye.